Hi guys, this is Nicey and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to unbox another budget-friendly smartphone which is Xiaomi Redmi 9A. So before we start please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit that notification bell for more videos and updates. Alright, this is the box of Redmi 9A. Now inside the box is the Redmi 9A granite gray color with 2GB RAM and 32GB room. But you can also get the choice of your color, which is the peacock green and the twilight blue as well. For the accessories, we have the manual. We also have the charger brick, the micro USB cable, and the SIM ejector pin. And now let's check the design of the phone. So on the right side, we have here the power button and the volume button. On the lower part of the phone, we have here the speaker, the micro USB, and the microphone. On the left side of the phone, we have here the SIM tray slot or the micro SDXC, nano SIM, and micro SD card. Upper side of the phone, we have here the headset jack 3.5. Now let's check the back side of the phone. So as you can see, we have here the 13 megapixels camera, and we're showing you the pictures that I have. So these are the samples of the pictures coming from this camera. So the pictures and the colors are very light and so cool. Now let's try to check the video streaming on their YouTube channel. So as you can see, the colors are very beautiful. The colors are so light, colorful, and again, so worth it for the budget-friendly smartphone. On the front, we have here the 6.53 large display, and also we have the 5 megapixels selfie camera and AI face unlock. Enough for the basic information about the accessories and the basic design of the smartphone. So let's take a closer look for the specs of this phone. So what's good about this smartphone is that it offers 2.0 gigahertz, and then the software is MIUI 12 Android that offers high gaming technology because the processor has 2 gigabytes RAM, MediaTek Helio G25 that offers high engine technology that runs about good gaming experience. So let's try to check the Bob's World game, which is downloadable in Google Play. So as you can see, the functions of the lower key and the upper, and of course the right and the left functions are working very well. And then there is no disconnections with regards to the function keys. And of course, I said this smartphone is very good in high gaming experience, so you can also download high-end game for this smartphone. So that's it for the gaming experience sample. Now let's start to check the functions of this phone. So as you can see, this is the control center. We have here the Bluetooth, the Wi-Fi, the flashlight, and of course the mute keys, the airplane mode, so on and so forth. And then if we check the applications here, they have already installed the games, and then they have already installed the Facebook icon, the Netflix, and of course the tools like calculator, the clock. And then if you also check the settings here, so again, this is the settings, this is the Wi-Fi icon, and then the Bluetooth icon. So and then we also we'll need to check the connection and sharing buttons, and of course that's the home keys. We also have here the password and security, the applications. So let's check the battery performance. So as you can see, the battery performance, again, the battery performance is we have the 5000 mAh capacity. So let's check again about the phone. As I said, the application or the specs is 2.0 gig and then 32 gig ROM. So this is the overall specs of the unit or the smartphone. Alright guys, so that's it about Xiaomi Redmi 9A. So if you're asking where to buy this item, so you can purchase this through Lazada for less than 5,000 pesos. It's very friendly. Once again, very friendly and very smart, budget-friendly smartphone that you will have. So thank you again for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed this one. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates and videos. So my name is Nicey. Once again, please subscribe to my channel and see you on my next videos. Bye!